This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Unclip the support prop from the wing and engage the end with the hole in the underside of the bonnet. Undo the retaining screws and lift the air filter lid. Remove the air filter element from the housing. Remove any dirt or debris from the housing, then fit the new filter element with the rubber seal uppermost. Lower the filter lid and tighten the retaining screws securely. Detach the support prop from the bonnet and clip it into place on the wing. Firmly lower the bonnet and check it's secure.